Okay, so I just got off a call with a new prospect. This is an interesting one, both in how I uncovered the opportunity and how I set the meeting. I was speaking with one of my referral partners. They are a very large ISP globally, and they're working with this customer on a global WAN redesign project. Now, this customer has dozens, if not hundreds, of locations globally, but they were only giving my partner select few locations to work on. So maybe a dozen locations out of 100, let's call it. The partner of mine knew that there was a very large project on the table, but they were kind of being shielded by the customer. So I learned about this and looked on LinkedIn, found that we have C-level relationships within this organization. And it is because of a completely different conversation that we had with this customer in the past. I was able to use those conversations to get a discussion going around the current project, which is around the network. Come to find out, this customer revealed that they're working on a global data center redesign. So involves rethinking their data center strategy globally, rethinking their network topology globally. They need somebody to come in and validate their design, then help them through the process of going to market and identifying the suppliers that can meet the requirements. So we help a lot of global organizations with these types of initiatives, and we partner with dozens of data center providers around the world, in addition to all the ISPs and carriers that can support the network needed to connect these data centers. So we're going to be able to come in and help them with this process, validate the design, make sure they're getting the best deal with these data center providers, and make the process a lot more efficient and streamlined. Looking forward to working with this customer. Next step is for us to get an NDA in place with them so we can have these discussions confidentially, and I'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah, and one more thing to add to this. So this is going to be beneficial for the partner that initially told me about the opportunity, because once we get in with the customer and start talking about the larger project at hand, we're going to be able to pull my referral partner back through, help them sell the services that they're initially trying to sell the customer, most likely bring more opportunity to the table than they were initially given by the prospect. And one more thing, if you're in tech sales, it's all about who you know, not what you know. I'm trying to grow my network of people that I know so that I can make introductions and also be introduced into accounts and opportunities. So sign up for my newsletter. I send it out once a month. It has accounts that I've done business with, people that I know who I may be able to introduce you to, and also a list of opportunities that I'm tracking down, where if you introduce me and have a relationship, potentially there's a way that you and I can partner.